if I do have $400 or around $400 to spend on a smartphone, and if I am willing to consider the Android space, then what am I looking at, Lou? What should I be considering, or what does a $400... Today I have the Samsung A51 and A71. The A51, A71, they look a lot more like their flagship equivalent device. I think the decision for you should probably center around display. I mean, that's how you interact with your smartphone. They're fairly incremental by comparison when you start to look at the displays on the A-series devices from Samsung. Obviously, there's no bezels there. They happen to be AMOLED. They are higher resolution as well. This is a 6.5-inch display coming in at 2400 by 1080, which gives you 405 ppi. 4,000 milliamp hours and 4,500 milliamp hours. That should be a really important part of your consideration. They give you some versatility in the camera section, including some various lens options, which again is more similar to what they do on the flagship levels. Now, versatility is kind of going to be the theme in addressing these two products. The reason I'm such a fan of wide-angle cameras is because they're so practical. If you are out with a group of people, you're at a dinner or something, and you need to take a group shot, the number of times I popped into the wide and I wouldn't have enough room in the space that I'm in to get everybody in the group shot. Let's try to get in on that. I mean, we can get closer, for sure. Here we go, this is good. So yeah, look, there is the opportunity with macro to still create some shots that you couldn't really do with digital zoom after, because I couldn't get that angle. These have expandable storage, so if you do like to store a lot of data locally, these have the expandable storage baked in. And of course, the benefit there with a budget device is you're trying to get that entry-level cost as low as possible. So in the case of the 71, Snapdragon, bigger display, higher resolution, OLED, 4,500 milliamp hour battery, more RAM, expandable storage, more cameras, headphone jack. If you're spec chasing, that's kind of the whole story. It's kind of crazy, actually.